Alright, for the leather, I'm going to start with this is what I use. Chemical Guys leather cleaner and the conditioner. And then I got this brush, like to remove any deep stains or anything like that, so it works amazing. Alright, we're going to start off by cleaning off the door. I just spray it directly on there. Look how dirty it is. The whole car stinks. And then I spray some on the brush itself also. And starting a circular motion, clean everything off. Especially here, you see how all the grime starts coming off. Look at that. I don't know how long it's been sitting this way without any cleaning. Do one pass, and then I'll come back, spray some more. I'll do another pass. Kind of clean off as much as I can. Everything usually doesn't come off in the first pass, so. Let's see how much is coming off. Yeah, it's nasty. All right. Look at that. That thing's right up on me. Yeah, nasty. All right, do another pass. I'll wipe this down. Get this leather cleaned up. You can still see it's all dirty and nasty. That grime. Ugh. All right. Wipe this off before it dries up on me. Wow. Big, huge difference. Look at that. Alright, there you go. It's looking way better. Alright, let me finish up all the doors. Alright, now we're going to do the seats. Spray them all down. Don't be scared. Just a circular motion. Rub it in. There, look how good the stains are coming out. Leather's not bad. Pretty good condition actually for the year. There it goes. Looks like it's getting cleaned up. There it is. Big difference. It just cleans it all up. bottom seat wasn't all that dirty. It's nice and clean. Yep. Yep, yeah, check that out. Big difference. And finish up everything. All right, so I'm finally done with the cleaning. I didn't clean that center console piece because I'm gonna swap it out. I'm gonna order a new part to it, and I finished up the seats, all the door panels. See how clean they look now. That's got a little tear on there. I don't think I'm gonna worry about that. Steering wheel as clean as I could. So looks much better than to what it was. Everything. Let me go ahead and start removing this piece to start swapping it out. All right, and I think all it is just some bolts, just some Phillips screws that actually hold this down. Yeah, it's got a couple of them on there, small ones. Need to come off. 3. 4. And I believe this latch comes off as well. Yep, sure enough, there it is. All right, man. Okay, and then there's 2 screws holding it down here. Actually, 1, 2, 3. There's actually 4. Okay, so we got the other ones here. It's actually 4 of them. Just attached to the actual frame. Hinge comes up and down. Okay, 2. 3 and 4. There it goes. All right, so the piece is off. See, here's the 4 screws right there that attached to the hinge, and then all the rest of them, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the actual latch itself, another 2. So that's it. All right, guys, so here's a piece made in China. That's how you know it's pleather. Anyways, this is a piece, the center console lid, leather part, gray. Got it on Amazon. I think I paid like 20 bucks for it. Ooh, look at that, brand new. All right, okay, let's remove this one on here. I think it's just glued on here. Yeah, it is just glued on the edges on the inside. Just comes off. I guess we'll glue it as well. I'm gonna use staples, which should probably be better. Alright, there it is. Here's our piece. Piece is off, all torn, messed up. Trash. Alright, let's try on the new piece. See how well it fits. Alright, she's gonna go towards the left side. weather's not helping either. You know what, guys? I think I am going to staple this. It'll look a lot nicer. Nice stretched look. Stretched. Okay, so I'm gonna start by stapling it here, the front side. Yeah, staple it here in the front, side, and just work my way around. Inside. Yeah. Okay. Get the compressor ready. All right, so I'm here about to start. I'm using the staple gun. See how it works out. I usually use it for the Banshee seats, the seat covers, to replace them and stuff. So I mean, they seem to work out pretty good. And so let's start. I'm gonna start here on this end and work my way to the front and just keep everything nice and tight. All right, that's it. That's it. Nice. That'll work. Okay, work my way to the front. Get that nice stretch to it. It's hard just because it's cold, so it doesn't really want to stretch on you, you know. So, but we're gonna stretch it. Okay. Get the main one here. Get this one here. Okay. See, stretching. All right. And we'll go over here. Put another one over here on this side. Same spot. Okay. There it goes. All right. Another one over here. Right here, still stretch. Right here. Okay, to the other side. Stretch it. Over here. There it goes. Okay, that's good. I'll set it right. Okay, there it goes. Stretched. Right there. Okay. All right. And then just tighten everything up. Because remember guys, this you're not going to be able to see. It's going to be covered up. It's actually going to be covered up, so that's that. Alright. Finish all these corners up. I use the gun to kind of push it in. There it goes, catch right there. Alright, I'm going crazy with it already. Might as well do a good job. It's out already, so just secure it properly. I don't want this thing coming off. There it goes, guys. That's it. Looks good too. Let's go put it on. All right, so we're gonna start assembling this back together. First off, we're gonna start with these 4 bolts in the back. Hook it up to the hinge. It's got the little lining tabs there. Alright. Lined up. Alright, so that's in. Now this cover attaches to here. Let's see how well it fits. Grabbed. Okay. Let's try the other small screw. Maybe that actually helps me line it up. So. Okay, cool. It is actually helping it line up. Let me try this latch, see if it actually lines up now. I think it does. Alright, yeah, that's it right there. Alright guys, so you actually have to line up, put the other screws on first, which lines up the latch for you. Sweet. Okay. The other screws on. And I'm not putting the bottom ones on because they were just holding onto the leather. Yeah, I do have the drill, but I don't want to strip them. Alright guys, that's it. And that's how you replace the armrest on a 2001 Avalon, Toyota Avalon. So it's good, works good. Alright guys, well, I hope this helped out. Catch you guys on the next one.